Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this smartly styled C-Class. Superb engineering blends gracefully with premium luxury and the latest tech. Whether you opt for the sedan, coupe, or cabriolet, or prefer the advantages of all-weather capability, your expectations will be exceeded, and then some. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, power liftgate, premium sound system, remote engine start. Enjoy each journey to the fullest in this exquisitely crafted C300 sedan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.